Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right in to learn how to create private boards in Monday.com. This is your complete guide for 2025, so buckle up and let's get started. First up, you need to log in to your Monday.com account. If you don't have one, you can quickly sign up. Being logged in gives you full access to create and manage your boards. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the left side of your dashboard. You'll see a plus new button. Click on that and then select Board. This is the starting point of creating any board on Monday.com, whether it's public or private. Next, you'll see an option to choose the board type. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Select Private Board. The reason we do this is because private boards are visible only to those individuals you specifically invite. This helps us maintain privacy and control over who sees our tasks and projects. Once you've selected Private Board, it's time to name your board. Be sure to choose a name that clearly represents the purpose of the board. This helps us because it allows for easy identification, especially when you have multiple boards running simultaneously. Now let's add some structure to our board. Click on the Add Group button to create categories. Each group can represent a different aspect of your project. This step is important because it organizes your tasks and keeps your board clean and easy to navigate. Next up, add your tasks or pulses under each group. You can further customize each task by adding deadlines, assigning team members, and adding task descriptions. This helps us because it provides detailed information about each task and ensures every team member knows exactly what they need to do. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you're adding these tasks and details, Monday.com is automatically saving your progress. That's right, there's no need to worry about losing your work. Finally, click on Share at the top right corner of your screen. You can then invite team members to your private board via their email addresses. This step is crucial because without it, your private board remains invisible to your team. And there you have it. You've created a private board in Monday.com. A quick wrap-up. We logged in, created a new private board, named it, structured it with groups and tasks, and then shared it with our team. It's as simple as that. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, Monday.com is a powerful tool that can streamline your project management process when used correctly. Until next time.